Hi, my name is Jenna and this is my room in Boone Hall. A way that I love to personalize my room and make it feel like home is with tapestry. So I got this one off of Amazon and a lot of people noticed it when they first walked in my room. So I got this pegboard from Target and I love to use it because that way I can see the kind of stuff that I put on it and also use it as television. Some things I brought that remind me of home are my varsity letter from cheerleading and then my senior book from 2022. One tip that I've learned for saving space in college is to only pack the essentials and don't bring any excess stuff with you because you're always going to buy more. Once again, I'm Jenna and thank you for visiting my room in Boone Hall.